Let's do a void in a straight wall and curved wall. Let's see do any void, type of void. Let's start by going to Architecture tab, pressing on walls. Let's use a generic wall 200 millimeter. Let's say this is a straight wall that we have. Now let's draw another curved wall. Let's say it's that's much, and press enter. Okay, now let's go to the south elevation. We see we have the curved wall, the straight wall. Let's start by going to Architecture tab, going to Component, Model in Place, let's say it's a door. Okay, press OK, name it as you want, door 1. Okay, let's start by extrusion. Press on extrusion. Let's say pick on plane. This is our plane. We press on it. Let's draw a wall, a door. Let's say it's like this. Let's say we have a curve. Oops, sorry. Okay, let's delete this line and this line. Okay, now we have the curve. Press. Okay, let's go to 3D and see it. As you can see, that's it. We extruded both sides. Now we go to the under the identity the data and press void. Now you exit. We go to cut. We press on the wall, then on this, then that's how we have the void. Now let's try it on a curved wall. How to do it on a curved wall? It's the same steps. You go to the south, you press create extrusion, pick on a plane, pick a plane, pick the straight one. Okay, always have a straight wall beside the curved wall. And as usual, let's draw. Let's say it's like this. Let's say it's an arch. Okay, now delete this line, press correct. Let's go to 3D, back to 3D. Let's extrude it. Go to the panel, setting panels, and go to under identity data and press void. Okay, and now we deselect and press cut. We press on the cut. We select the wall, now the void, and that's how we do a void in a curved and straight line. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more tutorials.